Ever wondered how AI determines if someone likes, dislikes, or is neutral about a topic in a conversation? It's not as simple as it sounds, especially when the context is murky, the language is sarcastic, or the subject is entirely new. Today, we're diving into cutting-edge research on stance detection, how machines learn to spot opinions, and where they still stumble. Let's start with the basics. Stance detection is like teaching a robot to read between the lines. Is the person supporting a policy? Opposing it? Neutral? But here's the twist. Zero-shot stance detection means the AI has never seen this exact topic before. Imagine asking a robot to judge a debate about electric vehicles when it's only been trained on climate change. That's the challenge researchers are tackling. In this study, scientists tested models like GPT-3.5 and open-source giants like Llama3, using 28 keywords across 6 controversial topics. Think AI ethics, vaccine mandates, or even traditional Chinese medicine. They wanted to see if these models could guess someone's stance without prior examples. Spoiler, they struggled. But why? Let's break down the biggest hurdles. First, misunderstanding the target. Picture this: a user says, "Parents should check homework." The model might wrongly assume they're against teacher accountability, missing the nuance. Then there's context collapse, like missing a conversation thread. If user 2's earlier message set the tone, but the AI only sees the last line, it's guessing in the dark. And oh, the over-reasoning. One model took a single phrase like, "Some people just love their kids," and concluded the user opposed genetic screening. No, really, it's like assuming someone's angry because they said, "huh." Finally, sarcasm is a nightmare. When someone says, "Oh, great, another super male baby," the AI might think they're supporting the idea instead of mocking it. So how do researchers fix this? They're building better tools. One key breakthrough: a dataset called ZS-CSD, which includes 280 topics and real-world conversations from Weibo. It's like giving AI a library of debates, not just isolated sentences. And their model, SITPCL, learns to track who's talking, how they interact, and what the conversation really means. The results: SITPCL is the best at zero-shot stance detection right now, but even it only gets about 43.8% accuracy. That's a big deal because it shows how hard this problem really is. Imagine trying to guess someone's opinion in a debate you've never heard of. The researchers call this a benchmark, meaning it's a starting point for future work. So what's next? This dataset and model open the door to smarter AI that can keep up with the ever-changing landscape of human discourse. Ever noticed how AI sometimes misses the point? Like when it's told, "well said," but doesn't realize it's actually a backhanded comment. That's the problem researchers are tackling, and they've got solutions. Here's the deal. Current AI models often look at just fragments of conversation, like isolated words or sentences. But real communication is a back and forth. Imagine trying to understand a joke from just one line. It's impossible. The fix: teach AI to track conversations as a whole, keeping context in mind. Think of it like following a story, instead of just reading a single sentence. Then there's sarcasm. Yep, that tricky human thing where "great job" might actually mean terrible. Researchers want AI to spot these cues, like recognizing tone or cultural references. It's not just about words, it's about understanding what's really being said. And here's a big one: intent. Right now, AI often focuses on keywords. But if someone says, "I need a recommendation," they're not just asking for a list, they're seeking something personal. The goal is to train AI to analyze why someone is asking, not just what they're saying. Why does this matter? Because when AI gets stance right, whether it's filtering fake news or suggesting a movie you'll love, it becomes truly helpful. No more confusing responses or missed nuances. This isn't just about fixing errors. It's about building systems that connect with us. And the best part? We're just scratching the surface. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how AI evolves, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What's a topic you'd love to see AI tackle? Let's keep the conversation going.